Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to solve an integral problem. The problem is integral 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 7 dx. Now let's solve it step by step. To integrate a polynomial expression, you integrate each term one by one using the power rule. Integral x to the power of n dx equal to x caret n plus 1 divide by n plus 1 plus c. Now apply that to each term in the expression. Integral 2x cubed dx equal to 2 times integral x cubed dx equals 2 times x to the power of 4 divide by 4 equal to 2x to the power of 4 divide by 4 equal to x to the power of 4 divide by 2. Integral minus 5x squared dx equals minus 5 times integral x squared dx equals minus 5 times x cubed divide by 3 equals minus 5x cubed divide by 3. Integral for x dx equals 4 times integral x dx equals 4 times x squared divide by 2 equals 4x squared divide by 2 equals 2x squared. Integral minus 7 dx equals minus 7 times integral dx equals minus 7 times x equals minus 7x. Now combine all the integrated parts. X to the power of 4 divide by 2 minus 5x cubed divide by 3 plus 2x squared minus 7x plus c.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.